Ikaw agad ang bungad ng magandang umaga. Di kumpleto ang araw pag di kita kasama. Okay lang, nandito lang ako parating nakaabang kahit na madamag, oh.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live